So far we have done the tail feathers, and I tried to match the embroidery, but I'm looking at this and I was looking at this from like across the room, so I didn't make this long enough, but it's similar. Tinsel is more of a peachy color. She's got the peachy base with like a more salmon-y, peachy beak, but I didn't have those colors. I don't know where I would find them. But this is polar fleece with a lighter pink and then slightly peachier pink. So big tinsel is a little more pink, but still very cute. And the Target tinsel has this faux fur for the wings. And actually, like, Target tinsel's body is like that micro fleece. Is that what that is? It's, you know, just a slightly furry polyester fabric, really. But I didn't have any faux fur, and I didn't want to buy any. I didn't want to be buying anything other than the lights. I didn't want to buy anything specifically for this project. I wanted just to use what I had. Excuse me. And what I had was this Sherpa fleece, which is still very cuddly. And keen-eyed viewers might think, oh no, that is also pink instead of white. Because it should be white, and yes, it should be white. And this was white when I bought it, but I bought it with some red blizzard fleece, and I washed them together. And now this is always going to be a little bit pinky. But yeah, that is the state of our tinsel so far. Tinsel has been crocheted, and when I crocheted her, I forgot the trick that you run up this straight line in the back to find where the middle of your bird face should go, and I didn't do that. So tinsel is looking a little to the left. That's okay, because it'll just make it easier to like see her cute face and her wing at the same time. But yes, she is crooked, and that is my fault for not tracing the middle of the back to find the front of the face. So my bad. If we look at our tinsel, our Target tinsel, we need the birthday hat and we need the lights. As far as the lights go, I got these from Joann's. I ordered 2 different kinds of light garland because I wasn't sure what would work best size-wise, and they canceled my other order of like the felted light bulbs, which I think would have been a little bit bigger. And once I saw these, I was happy with it because these were on sale, so they were very cheap. And also, I think that's as good of a match as we're going to get. So they are similar. So we'll put the lights on when we are done with her. So now we need to make the hat. Tinsel's hat has stripes on it. So it looks like these stripes wrap around, but they're all going in the same direction. So I could paint them on, or I could sew ribbon on. This ribbon is a little bit thick, so I probably should paint, but also I'm just gonna lay this out to see how I feel about it. Yes, I think I like this. And then for the pom-poms, I have a couple of options making one. At first I tried crocheting this sphere really tightly. Like I use a 2.5 millimeter hook with this, and it's you know, the regular Lily's cotton yarn, like worsted weight yarn. So very small hook for it to make it really tight. And I didn't stuff it because I didn't want it to be super heavy. And then I'm not good at making pom-poms, so I'm not showing you how I make a pom-pom because I don't think I do it right. But I made this pom-pom, and I think this one feels a little bit heavier than this one, which is weird because it feels like this should have more yarn in it. But I think we're gonna go with this one because this like will just get warped. Kind of makes a fun fidget, but I don't think it'll make a good pom-pom. So we tried, and we're moving on. Fold this up and sew along this seam. And our hat should be mostly done. Do we want to? Nope, because that's going to be hard to turn around. Don't do it, Cherish. Nope, don't do it, Cherish. You'll figure it out in a minute. So I stayed just a smidge away from the tip of my cone so that we would have some space to install the pom-pom. And ooh, I think it could have been a little longer. I could have made it a little bit longer. Now I'm going to take a crochet hook, because I had it nearby, and use that to pull the pom-pom thread through. There we go. It could be longer. Is it still cute though? It's cute. It's cute. Yeah, sure it's cute. Okay. I'm gonna knot this, I guess. I don't know. I'm not really, I didn't think the pom-pom part fully through. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can just tack this down at the very tip. No, let go. Did I make the biggest mistake of my life? Oh no, I made a mistake. I made a mistake. Let go. Okay. It took the foot with it because it got tangled. It got tangled up in my pom-pom. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Oh. All right, the foot is free. The foot is free. The pom-pom is not free. The pom-pom is stuck, which is where we want it. And I have lots of extra little threads that I need to clean up. So I'm gonna clean these up. I think I am going to just run right along the edge here just to make sure that everything is tacked down where I want it to be. And then I will stuff it and hand sew it down to poor Tinsel's head. I mean, lucky Tinsel's head. Very lucky Tinsel. Really want to make sure I get up into the tip as much as I can so it'll hold the shape better. Which is sort of running into a problem where I tacked down. Okay. It's running into a problem where I tacked down the pom-pom. I was wondering if I was going to end up needing to run a wire in here to keep it stable, which I might do. Yeah, I'm sorry, Tinsel. You're going to have a wire running through you. I have a floral wire. I think this is 18 gauge. This is the wire that I use to bend the legs when I make the medium size or small birds. I don't know where my little snippers went. So I have bent this, and I am going to shove this up as far as I can. Oh, we have gone out of the thing. And then maybe I can I grab the pom-pom at all? So I've gone into the pom-pom a little bit. Oh no, I have not. Okay, I would just like to just, yeah, get you in here. And now tuck you in, hide you. Is this gonna work? Is this going to work? This part would have been a lot easier if I had used the crochet ball, but it is what it is. Okay, sorry about this, Tinsel. Let's see, Tinsel's hat is on the side of her head. So let's put you right here. Come on. Let me into your brain. And they got the seam in the back, which is great because that's where I would have chosen to put it too. Oh no! Oh, okay. So stabby is too long. Might just try to curve it a little bit so it'll come out the other end and I can deal with it. I found one of the wrapping yarns and I wrapped the wire around that, so it should actually have a grip on the pom-pom now. And then let's see, my other jewelry pliers are way more suited for this job, but they're also hiding in my mess. So because time is very limited, we're gonna press on with what we have. Okay, so now we've got this and it just needs to be sewn down. Oh, I would not like you to be a little more down here, which we can do, but her Tinsel's hat, at least mine, has a little slight curve to it. So with the wire, we can make the curve happen. I'd like you to be, we'll see how much I can force it, because I would like it to be a little more in the back of their head. Now we've got the rest of this wire to deal with. So okay, I've got the wire shoved into poor Tinsel's body. So now all I need to do is I need to hand sew this, which I'm gonna go do off camera because that sounds boring to watch and then boring for me to have to edit. So when I was designing the hat, I kept trying to make the base a little bit wider, and I think the base is maybe a little bit too wide. Also might be just a little overstuffed. So I might take out some of the stuffing because we have the wire in there now doing the work. So we really don't need much stuffing at all, just a little. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yes, I think I like that look a little bit better. Tinsel, are you gonna be cute? Tinsel, I don't want to do all this work for you to not be cute. I think it's cuter with like a little more curl, so I gave the hat a little more curl. This was still a little too wide, so I pinched it in a bit. Obviously it would have been better if I could take it off and re-sew that. And also, I didn't control this very well, so it crept back up to the front more than I'd like. But it's a hat, it's pretty cute. And now we just got the noisiest step. Now we just need to tack down this garland. Now let me at these lights. Okay, so let's look at Tinsel. Looks like it starts like tucked under the wing and then wraps down around the back and then up and then tucked under the wing. Fantastic. Now, I should probably have gotten 2 of them. Oh no! I don't think this is going to be enough. Let's see. Go. Oh no, this will be fine. Okay. Okay, I think we're good. Oh my gosh, it's a little tinsel. It's not a little tinsel, it's a big tinsel. Ah! Okay, we have enough, which is great because I don't know that I can still get more of these in the store. So let's do what they did and let's tuck this underneath the wing. Where did I put my needle? No? Nothing? Nothing? Well, that was silly of me. I stuck the needle in the forehead, of course. But let me just quick say how much I love tinsel because my birthday is today. Happy birthday to me! I have a Christmas birthday, like so close to Christmas that it always gets lost in the shuffle. And it's, some families work hard to make sure that their, Christmas birthday kids feel seen and special at Christmas. And not every family achieves that. And I never really felt that growing up. So when I saw Tinsel, I don't think that her express purpose was to be a Christmas birthday bird, but when I saw her, I thought, oh, it's a Christmas birthday bird. It's me. It's me. So I love Tinsel because she makes me feel seen and special on my birthday when it feels like everyone else is maybe a little more seen and special. So, okay. So now all I need to do is I need to pull all these threads inside of Tinsel, and then Tinsel is ready. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and in the meantime, keep it cozy. See you next year.